Grab your helmets, knee pads, and elbow pads. We're kicking off today's show with a new board that'll have your kids skating like never before.
What do you get when you combine the rip-roaring excitement of surfing and the gnarly tricks and turns of skateboarding with the ice-cold freedom of snowboarding? The answer is the Shred Sled. Skateboarding technology has never been this advanced or this awesome. Introducing the Shred Sled, the all-new dual-deck caster board that'll have you shredding in no time. Advanced technology hooked up with a skateboard, and the result is the Shred Sled. The most major advancement in the skateboarding industry since the inline revolution has taken hold. The Shred Sled is constructed with two state-of-the-art ABS boards, coupled with a flexible connector, allowing both boards to rotate around the vertical and horizontal axis. The Shred Sled is made to carve. Its added flexibility makes this awesome dual-deck board smoother and easier to ride. In no time, you'll be tearing up the streets. You'll feel the Shred Sled's technological breakthroughs the minute you step on the board. Unlike stiff, first-generation two-wheel boards, the Shred Sled moves with you, bringing the thrills and carving movements of snowboarding right to the streets. Unlike standard skateboards, you can even go uphill without having to push off. The back and forth carving motion of the Shred Sled puts the power of motion in your movements. And with 4 inline wheels, you've got so much more control than trying to skateboard the old-fashioned way. The 4 80mm wheels and ABEC 5 bearings offer a smooth ride that hardly ever need replacing. And the concave decks add stability and a feel for the ride unlike anything you've ever felt on wheels. Add it all up, and you've got a skateboarding revolution. Carve, cut, and ride like never before with the Shred Sled.